Hi, let me talk about this general help desk automation system that runs, which is connected with the Gmail on Google Sheets. So I'll just show you what basically I've done is I have randomly marked three mails as with a specific ticket type mail, which will get auto tagged basically. So all you have to do is just click on this. This can also be automated, and schedule tracker can run, and you see these mails are automatically coming. So these could be genuine help desk mails. So this could have the details. Okay, this could be because there is no such email in the database, that is why it is showing, but this can easily be configured. Okay, so currently this is not relevant for us. Here you will get the details of all the entire mail body plus remarks, everything you will get here. Okay, and now once you want to assign it to someone, you can simply come and assign it to that person. Okay, this is that mail. So what you can simply do is just click on here and you will get it. So let me show you. Okay, so let me click here, and if I click here, so there you go, you'll that mail will automatically open, and there you go. Okay, this is the date when the ticket was raised, and you can also change the status from here. Let's say you can do it assigned. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Suppose you come here, this is the dashboard. Okay, and you would be able to see all those details here as well. And this is, let's say, you want to change, say, this one. Okay, and you want to move it to, say committee approval required. Just click here and come here, click again, the script is running. Let's check. Okay, and uh, let me see. So now if you see that the yes, it's here. Let me move this as well. Okay, so this is, let me see if I want to move it to, say, committee approval 1.12. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so this is all. Let me move it to, let's say, assigned. Just click here and click here. This will move to the this scrum board, this column. Okay, and let me move it to review. Okay, this should ideally move here, and there you go. Okay, so that's the scrum board. Also, you can control it from here as well, and at the same time you can control it from here as well. Okay.